the ocean doctor, Mew Mew. Ocean rescue, let's go! What's wrong with the anglerfish? Yikes! The anglerfish broke his tooth. He needs our help. The tooth is mended. The anglerfish is hungry. Let's feed him. Ocean animals will protect you. Oh no! The manta ray is trapped! The manta ray is stuck in the net. Let's get him out. Let's look and find the manta ray's heart. Not good. The manta ray has no heartbeat. We need to use the defibrillator. The manta ray is gonna be all right. You're great. The manta ray wants to eat. Let's give it some food. Ocean animals will protect you. Who got stuck? The pufferfish is stuck. We need to rescue him quick. There's so much trash stuck to the pufferfish. Let's clean it off. Tap the pufferfish. Help him to release the air. The pufferfish has been rescued. The pufferfish is hungry. Can you feed it? protect you! What's wrong with the whale? Oh dear, the whale has eaten a lot of trash. We need to clean his stomach out. Help remove the trash from the whale's stomach. The whale's stomach is clean. It's healthy now. The whale is hungry. He wants to eat a lot.
Aww. Aww.
Ocean animals will protect you. The jellyfish looks poisoned. The jellyfish was swimming in polluted water. It got sick. Let's help her. Please apply an antiseptic to the jellyfish. The jellyfish is cured! The jellyfish is hungry. Let's feed it! Ocean animals will protect you! What's wrong with the clam? The clam got a lot of trash inside its shell. We need to help! Let's help the clam dress up. The clam is hungry. Let's feed it. ocean animals will protect you. The hermit crab can't move? Oh no! A boulder fell on Hermit Crab. We gotta help him. The hermit crab needs a shell like this. Can you help him find it? The hermit crab is happy now. Thank you. The hermit crab is hungry. Let's feed him.